All right, I know why you are here. I'm going to help you out opening up a bottle. Yes, a simple bottle. How can this get the best of you? Well, it happens. You buy a brand new one, you get it home, and this little top just kind of spins. Well, let me show you how to do it. First thing, you're going to take your hand like this and just tighten up that way. You're going to tighten it up as much as you can, as tight as you can get it. And then you're going to rotate it to the left just like that, the nozzle part. So it's twisting because the base is not tight enough. So it's all one unit just spinning on you. So you have to tighten up that bottom piece and then rotate in the opposite direction the top nozzle. Does that make sense? And by the way, if you want to travel with this, you kind of reverse the process. You push down, all the liquid will come out, and then you rotate the nozzle back in this direction. And that is how you do it.